Is your 2012-2016 Hyundai Accent key fob not working reliably? A dead battery is the most likely culprit. This video shows you how to quickly and easily replace it yourself, saving time and money. The key fob uses a CR232 battery, which you can find at most auto parts stores or online for under $5. You'll also need a small flathead screwdriver or coin. No programming is needed after the battery change. First, gently pry open the key fob casing using your flathead screwdriver or coin. Insert the tool into the seam on the side or back of the fob and twist. Be careful not to use excessive force. Once open, remove the old CR2032 battery, noting which side is facing up, usually the positive side. Insert the new battery with the correct orientation. Snap the key fob casing back together until it clicks shut. Test the fob by pressing the buttons near your car to ensure it locks and unlocks properly. If it still doesn't work, double-check the battery polarity or consider that the transmitter itself may be faulty.